Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mentor Hub. Have you ever asked yourself, why am I always broke? Or maybe you have a decent paycheck, but your bank account is always empty. Today, I'm going to share with you powerful secrets to break the cycle of poverty and start building wealth. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last tip is a game changer that can completely transform your financial future. Ready to take control of your finances? Let's dive in. Do you know what the rich have that most people don't? It's a wealth mindset. You need to believe that you can achieve financial success. Start thinking like a millionaire. Transform your thoughts from I can't to I will. Remember, wealth starts in the mind before it manifests in your bank account. Visualize your financial goals daily and affirm your ability to achieve them. Surround yourself with positive influences and avoid negative self-talk. Stay tuned because in just a moment we'll uncover how your daily habits might be keeping you poor without you even realizing it. Are you one of the 56% of Americans who can't cover a $1,000 emergency expense? Saving isn't about the amount, it's about the habit. Start small and make saving a priority. Your future self will thank you. Open a separate savings account and set up automatic transfers from your checking account. Even $10 a week can add up over time. Challenge yourself to a no-spend week each month to boost your savings. Coming up, we'll reveal why setting financial goals can be a game changer and how it can set you on the path to wealth. Do you have a financial plan or are you just winging it? Poor planning keeps you stuck in financial stress. Set clear, realistic financial goals and map out a path to achieve them. This will keep you motivated and on track. Start by writing down your short-term and long-term goals. Create a vision board to visualize your dreams. Break down your goals into actionable steps and set deadlines. Track your progress regularly and adjust your plan as needed. Up next, we'll discuss a common habit that's draining your bank account faster than you can fill it. Stay tuned. Spending more than you earn is a recipe for disaster. It's time to cut back on unnecessary expenses and live within your means. Social media can make it tough, but remember, living a flashy life now can cost you big time later. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month to see where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back, like dining out or subscription services. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Remember, every dollar you save is a step closer to financial freedom. Live smart, spend wisely. Next, we'll explore the impact of your daily spending habits and how small changes can lead to big savings. Are you influenced by social media to make unplanned purchases? It's easy to fall into the trap of trying to keep up with others. Focus on your financial health and cut out unnecessary spending. Unsubscribe from marketing emails and unfollow social media accounts that tempt you to spend. Practice mindful spending by asking yourself if a purchase is a need or a want. Delay gratification by waiting 24 hours before making a big purchase. You'll often find that the urge to buy fades away. Spending habits. Stay in control. Stick around because we're about to uncover a hidden expense that's eating away at your finances. Housing is a major expense. If a huge portion of your income goes to rent, it's time to rethink your living situation. Consider moving to a less expensive area or finding a roommate to share costs. Calculate how much of your income is going towards housing and aim to keep it below 30%. Explore different housing options like co-living spaces or renting out a room on Airbnb to offset costs. Remember, your home should be a place of comfort, not financial stress. Smart housing, keep costs low. Coming up, we'll talk about the importance of budgeting and how it can drastically change your financial situation. Chapter 7. The importance of budgeting. Without a budget, you're destined to stay broke. Tracking your expenses gives you a clear picture of where your money goes and helps you make better financial decisions. Use budgeting apps to keep it simple and effective. Create a monthly budget that includes all your income and expenses. Categorize your spending into essentials, savings, and discretionary. Review your budget regularly and adjust as needed. A budget isn't a restriction, It's a tool to help you achieve your financial goals. Don't go anywhere. Next, we'll reveal why relying on others for your financial success can keep you poor. Chapter 8. Self-Reliance for Success. Waiting for someone to save you will keep you poor. Take charge of your financial destiny. Use free resources and online courses to learn new skills and find opportunities. Remember, no one can help you more than you can help yourself. Start by identifying your strengths and areas for improvement. Set aside time each week for self-improvement. Network with like-minded individuals and seek mentorship. The more proactive you are, the more opportunities you'll create for yourself. The most important tip is coming up: how to build an emergency fund and why it's your first line of defense against financial setbacks. Bonus tip: build an emergency fund. Before focusing on long-term savings or investments, build an emergency fund. It's your safety net for unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to protect yourself from financial shocks. Start by setting a small, achievable goal for your emergency fund. Automate your savings to make it easier. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account. Having this financial cushion will give you peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt during tough times. And there you have it. Powerful secrets to break the cycle of poverty and start building wealth. Begin implementing these strategies today and watch your financial situation transform. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share it with anyone who could benefit. Let's build a future of financial freedom together.